What is the Reels Play bonus program? So, this program offers selected creators the opportunity to earn money based on the performance of their reels. Upon receiving an invitation, the creators can activate the bonus through their professional dashboard on Instagram. This program, although is only available in select countries and is subject to specific eligibility criteria. So, what is the eligibility criteria? It's invitation only. Participation is limited to creators who receive an invitation from Instagram. That means you can't sign up. You can only get invited. Second, you need to have a professional account. Third one, it needs to be original content. And fourth one, you need to have compliance. Adherence to Instagram's content monetization is mandatory. So what are the earning potential? Earnings are influenced by the number of your plays on your reels you receive. While specific payouts rate can be varied, the program is structured through high reward, high performing content. Meta has also introduced the Breakthrough Bonus program, offering up to $5,000 over 3 months to new US-based creators who post a set number of original reels on Facebook and Instagram. What about the metrics? Instagram also provides insight to your reels performance, including metrics like plays, reach, and engagement. So, what are the considerations you should make? First off, it's a program duration. There's a couple of time-limited one, and it may change based on Instagram's discretion. There's also a content guidelines you need to follow, and there's also a couple of payout process as well, since it's distributed through a payment method linked to your professional account. And again, you can't sign up for this, right? It needs to be invite only. So if you're not invited, then there's not much else you can do.